There are calls for increased education of communities and travelers about cholera. There was a severe outbreak in South Africa last year, and this time around Zimbabwe and Zambia have been battling the disease now. 2 cases from Zimbabwe were reported in South Africa just a few days ago as we began this new year. To discuss the state of the outbreak in our region, the rest of the continent, let's speak now to Global Health Advisor from company International SOS, Dr. Chris van Straten. Chris, good afternoon. Welcome, Doc, to today here on eNCA. Thank you very much for your time. Is the cholera outbreak under control now? I saw a report a couple of weeks ago about deaths in Zambia and Lusaka as the epicenter. Then we had our 2 cases here with the truck driver coming from Zimbabwe. And I think in South Africa it's under control. What's the picture looking like in our region at the moment?
Hi, Dan. Thanks so much for inviting us on the show. So, Dan, yes, it's concerning. If you're looking at our neighbors, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Mozambique, the numbers are actually really high. And I'm quite concerned in particular about Malawi. They've had over 1,700 deaths as of December last year. And the caseload seemed to be rising and spreading. Zimbabwe has been, as you know, struggling, and those possibly 2 cases coming down into Limpopo from workers coming down from Zimbabwe. And the UN and WHO also have recent reports in the past 2 weeks highlighting their concerns, globally, but also in these neighboring countries where the case numbers are really high and have been really, I think, hampered and driven by some of this big flooding we've seen, disrupting infrastructure and probably spreading disease.
Yeah, I mean, Zambia taking a beating, as I said.